927 Papa Kilo with you to RMP runway 7.
Citation 927 Papa Kilo, Sangster International Roger, continue approach to runway 07.
Runway 7.
Delta 19055, clear to land runway 07, wind 045 degrees, 12 knots.
Delta 1955, runway 7.
Sangster Tower frequency.
Phoenix 08.
Phoenix 08, advise ready for departure.
Wait about a minute for that wake turbulence clear, Phoenix 08.
Say again?
A minute for that wake to clear, then ready, Phoenix 08.
Phoenix 08, Roger, land up and wait, runway 07.
Land from wait, runway 07, Phoenix 08.
Delta 1955, you're on time 14, exit Alpha, contact ground 1217.
Alpha, ground point 7, Delta 1955, cheers.
You're clear to take off runway 07, wind 060 degrees, 17 knots.
Okay, wind's clear for takeoff, runway 07, Phoenix 08.
Tower, good day, Rouge 1804 over Usain on the RMP 07.
1804, Sangster Tower, Roger, continued approach, runway 07.
04.
November 927 Papa Kilo, clear to land runway 07, wind 060 degrees, 15 knots.
And runway 7, set Papa Kilo.
Phoenix 08, contact departure 120.8.
120.8, 1462 over Hussein, runway 7.
United 1462, Sangster Tower, Roger, continue approach runway 07. Number 927 Papa Kilo, you're on time 18, expedite vacating at the end, Bravo is closed.
Vacated at the end, Bravo is closed, set Papa Kilo.
1804, continue approach runway 07, wind check 070 degrees, 16 knots.
For continue, check no landing clearance yet.
Kilo expedite. Rouge 1804, wind 060 degrees, 12 knots, clear to land runway 07.
1804 is going around.
1804, Roger, contact departure 120.8. Which is great. United 1462, clear to land runway 07, wind 060 degrees, 16 knots.
Level on runway 6, United 1462. RNP, runway 07.
1127, Sangster Tower, continue approach.
JetBlue 1127.
United 1462, on time 22, vacate Alpha and contact ground 1217.
21-7, United 1462.
Blue 1127, clear to land runway 07, wind 060 degrees, 15 knots.
Land, runway 7, JetBlue 1127.
Hussein inbound runway 7.
Southwest 918, Sangster Tower, roger, continue approach runway 07.
Continue 07, Southwest 918.
JetBlue 1127, you're on time 26, vacate Alpha, contact ground wind clear 1217.
21-7, 1127.
Clear to land runway 07, wind 060 degrees, 14 knots.
Land runway 7, Southwest 918. For just inside Hussein on the RMP 07.
Route 1804, Sangster Tower, roger, continue approach runway 07.
You've reached 1804.
Sangster Tower, good morning, Republica 70907, holding point 07, and ready.
Republica 7097, Sangster Tower, roger, hold short runway 07.
So, holding point 07, Republica 70907.
Southwest 918, on time 28, exit Alpha, contact ground 1217. 04, clear to land runway 07, wind 045 degrees, 15 knots.
And clear to land 07, reach 1804.
1804, on time 32, exit Alpha, contact ground 1217.
1604.
Line up and wait, runway 07.
Map and wait, runway 07 on aplicación 097.
Republic 7097, clear takeoff, runway 07, wind 045 degrees, 12 knots.
Clear to takeoff, runway 07 on aplicación 097. Republic 7097, contact departure 120.8.